18.
Isaac Kuria, the 11th suspect in the murder of Kasipul Member of Parliament Charles Were, will remain in police custody for 30 days as investigations continue. Kuria was arrested in Isebania, Migori County, and booked at Kasarani police station. Police allege he was hired to assassinate the legislator. Meanwhile, Homa Bay Deputy Governor Oyugi Magwanga now claims his life is in danger after unknown assailants attacked his convoy. As Fred Kagonya reports, senior police officers on Monday visited his residence in Kabor village, Kasipul constituency, following Sunday night's security scare.
Isaac Kuria, also known as Kush, becomes the 11th suspect arrested in connection with the gangland-style shooting of Kasipul Member of Parliament Charles Ong'ondo Were. He will remain in police custody for the next 30 days as investigations into the death continue.
It is important to ensure that the respondent is kept in custody for his own safety and time within which tempers will have cooled down. Consequently, the application by the applicant to detain the respondent at Kasarani police station is hereby allowed, but for 30 calendar days in the first instance.
According to the investigating officer Ruben Mwaneki, Kuria was nabbed in Isebania by DCI detectives while attempting to flee into neighboring Tanzania. He is believed to have been the pillion passenger on a motorcycle that trailed the MP from Parliament and is suspected to have fired the fatal shots. Mwaneki told the court that Kuria was hired by other suspects already in custody to carry out the assassination, claiming that the suspect was in regular contact with them before and after the attack. After the shooting, Kuria allegedly fled to Isebania in Migori County. Meanwhile, Homa Bay Deputy Governor Oyugi Magwanga now claims his life is in danger after unknown assailants attacked his vehicles. Magwanga clarified that he was not in the vehicles at the time of the attack.
Before yesterday's incidents, I had already received some threats, of which I didn't take seriously, and I didn't also know that it would happen so soon like yesterday.
He says he skipped MP Were's funeral after receiving intelligence that he was a target. Magwanga survived a suspected assassination attempt after his vehicle was ambushed by armed assailants in Homa Bay. The attack occurred just days after the assassination of Kasipul MP Ong'ondo Were, raising fresh concerns over insecurity in the county.
In light of the office I hold and the increasingly worrisome trend of political violence, especially the targeting of leaders in Kasipul constituency, this attack is not only alarming but deeply troubling.
The matter has since been reported to the police, with Homa Bay County Police Commander Lawrence Koilem saying investigations are underway. Fred Kagonye, KTN, Nairobi.
6 KWS rangers linked